Siapa sangka, pakaian rumah sederhana yang selama ini identik dengan kenyamanan ibu-ibu Indonesia, kini sedang naik kelas di mata dunia. Ya, duster yang dulu hanya dianggap baju santai di rumah, kini mulai mencuri perhatian para turis asing. Bagi mereka, duster bukan sekadar pakaian, tapi simbol gaya hidup tropis yang santai, eksotis, dan penuh warna. Bahkan di beberapa negara, duster mulai dijual sebagai luxury resort wear dengan harga fantastis.
Pulang.
Iya pulang.
Kamu jalan sendiri aja. Bye-bye. Aku pulang ya. Ayo. Dasar Indonesia, go internasional!
Hi friends! Today we're going to try on dusters. If you don't know what a duster is, it is basically an Indonesian version of house dresses. So what we call a house dress, they call a duster. When we took our trip to Indonesia a few years ago, I racked up on these because they are so comfortable and so flowy, and they're not tight fitted, and they're just the perfect house dress. So I wanted to try on 5 of my favorites for you, and you let me know which one's your favorite. Option number 1. This is probably my favorite out of all 5 of them. This is the one that I wear the most often because I feel like if someone comes by, it's not something that they would be like, oh my gosh, she's in pajamas, because it's kind of cute. And it's so comfortable. It's a little bit see-through, so we gotta be careful with that in the sunlight. But yeah, this is option 1. Option 2, I just love that these designs, and again, so flowy and so comfortable. I probably bought like 20 of these when I was there. Now the quality of them is not as great as you would find in America. I feel like in some places they have really high quality dresses, but whenever you go to like the markets and things like that, you're getting into like the lower quality dresses, much cheaper, but so comfortable and so flowy, and they do last you a good amount of time. So this is option 2. Option 3, I love how long all of these are. I can't find dresses like this here. Ross does have some that are kind of like this, but it's just not the same. I don't know what it is about these that makes them so comfortable and so appropriate too. So, option 3, duster number 4. She has cute little elephants on it. Look at that. This isn't my top 3, but it is still super cute. I love the designs. Moving on. Now, last but not least, this one does give Little House on the Prairie vibes, I know, but it's still a beautiful dress. Very modest, very pretty. Going to Indonesia was probably my favorite vacation in my entire life. And I don't know if it was because I didn't just get like the tourist version of it. I was like in deep down like village Indonesia because my husband grew up there and all of his family and friends are there. But yeah, it was incredible. I would love to share some of my experiences if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the dusters, which one's your favorite, and what would you like to know about Indonesia and my experiences there. And I can also speak a little bit of Indonesian for you if you want to, just saying. Let me know guys, love you, bye friends.
Pakaian yang dulu hanya dipakai untuk bersantai di rumah, kini justru menjadi tren baru di dunia fashion internasional. Ya, duster, busana longgar khas Indonesia yang identik dengan kenyamanan dan kesederhanaan, kini mulai menarik perhatian para turis asing. Bagi mereka, duster bukan lagi sekadar pakaian rumahan, melainkan karya seni tekstil yang mencerminkan kehangatan budaya tropis Indonesia. Dari motif batik hingga warna-warna cerah khas Nusantara, pesona duster kini dianggap memiliki nilai estetika tinggi. Bahkan di sejumlah butik luar negeri, duster dijual dengan label resort wear atau bohemian luxury dengan harga mencapai ratusan dolar.
Hai guys, kita sekarang berada di kota Amsterdam, ibu kotanya Belanda teman-teman. Dan ini adalah salah satu tempat yang sangat terkenal di Amsterdam. Namanya The Dam. Dan kita lagi berdaster ria di tempat ini teman-teman, untuk memperkenalkan budaya Indonesia kepada masyarakat Amsterdam.
Wes, mantap sekali.
Gimana?
Luar biasa ini ada.
Dan kita kultur Belanda sebentar malam pulang rumah kita mau gosok minyak kutus foto. Kita udah mau minyak.
Nih.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa follow semua ya. Belanda. Aja di Belanda bisa ya. Botol kawan pada tua pada Belanda.
Oh.
Jangan lupa di like. Mari kita salam dari Amsterdam.
Kabul pakai daster pertama kali
Jangan dulu, janganlah diganggu.
dan jatuh cinta.
Saja biar duduk dengan tenang.
Jeti mau modal untuk baju daster.
Hari ini aku lagi ada di China dan pakai daster aku. Jadi tadinya tuh aku mau ke danau kan, cuman hujan. Jadi akhirnya aku ke mall aja.
Di antara kau dan 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 cuma kamu tiada yang lain. Ku bilang aku gak main-main. Apa yang kau mau ku turutin. Sekarang kamu sama yang lain. Awalnya ku cuma cobain, tapi ku ketagihan. Ku bilang amin sampai ke pelamin. Jangan disamain, semua mantanmu bajingan. Ulang lagi, ku cari yang lain.
Reaksi Cici lihat Mas Bule pakai daster ke mall.
Halo sayang. Sayang.
Keluar sayang. Keluar sayang.
Kenapa sih saya? Coba Alfi cek sama aku dong.
Saya permisi saya.
Kenapa sih?
Ngantri minta foto, bajunya kayak gini.
Keren saya.
Nyesel nggak lu pakai baju gitu ke mall?
Kabur dulu deh, malu pacarnya salah kostum.
Yaudah, kita ke bioskop aja yuk, kita nonton yuk.
Berasa dibayarin mama.
Ngangkat, tutup.
Oh sorry.
Fenomena daster yang kini mendunia menjadi bukti bahwa keindahan tidak selalu datang dari kemewahan, tetapi dari kenyamanan dan keunikan budaya lokal. Apa yang dulu dianggap sederhana di mata orang Indonesia, justru kini menjadi simbol gaya hidup alami yang dicari banyak orang di luar negeri. Dari Bali hingga Paris, dari Yogyakarta hingga Tokyo, daster telah menembus batas dan menghadirkan cerita baru tentang identitas Indonesia di kancah global. Mungkin inilah saatnya kita berhenti meremehkan busana rumah itu, karena daster bukan lagi sekadar pakaian santai, tapi ikon budaya yang telah go internasional. Bagaimana menurut kalian? Tulis di komentar.